How to fix TikTok features missing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Click on your profile, then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. In Settings and Privacy, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Free Up Space. Click on Free Up Space. And then in here you will find Clear Cache option. Click on Clear, which is beside Cache. Press on Clear. After you've done that, what you can do is go to Settings on your device. Click on Apps and Notifications. In Apps and Notifications, click on TikTok. After you click on TikTok, click on Storage and Cache in here. Click on Clear Cache at the top and you're good to go. After that, simply open your TikTok and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix TikTok features missing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.